Hi, do you want to make $5 every 1 minute for free? This is free PayPal money. I'm sure you are, and this is it. I'm going to show you today how you can earn $5 every 1 minute. You may ask, this is a little money, but believe me, trust me, if you are stick together to this strategy and work regularly, you are definitely those money will go add up, and you will get a bigger money amount of money after every month. And this is really great. But before I show you the strategy, this is Dash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method. The site, you already know it. I'm going to show you some process before I show you how you can earn that money. So first of all, I am going to go to pexels.com. Yes, you already know this site. This is a free stock footage database. They have free stock footage of photos, videos, and various illustrations, and every day they update more and more stock footages here. And if you go to their site, and you have to search for like black and white images, and when you search black and white photos like this, they will show you black and white images which have no color in it. It's just black and white in it. And you have to do is for example, I'm going to show you the work process here. Later I will show you how you can earn money with that. So you have to select, you just can select any image. This is just for example. Here you have to select an image which has no color. So I picked some images and downloaded to my computer. And for work with this method, I'm going to show you a site by which you can colorize these images. So I move on to some site. There are lots of sites, you can Google it, and I found out this site works great. And this is playback.fm/colorize photo, colorize-photo. These website are going to automatically, using AI, they are going to colorize your black and white photo for you in just a minute. This is really great. So if for instance, if I have downloaded some photos from Pexels, so I click on upload photo, and here you can see I have downloaded some photos from Pexels already. There is a photo of a sky, so I select it here, and see it's converting right here. And wait a minute or so, and you will see a great photos converted to colorize. See, just a minute, and here it is. They have already colorize the photo for you. This is, if this is a button, you just drag it out there, and see, this is the black and white image, and this is the colorized image. See how well they performed the colorization. If I move on to the next photo, I upload a sea water photo here. You can see the photo has been converted, and they colorized the photo. Look at the water effect. It is how lifelike. This is the black and white image, and if you drag it to the right side, see how cool they colorizes the image, and water looks blue. This is really awesome. Let's select another image like the city here, and it colorizes the city. See how cool is that? See the black and white city here, and when you slide it to the right side, you see the colorized footage, and it's very realistic. This is awesome. If you are new to this field, if you're a beginner, for to start with, in just 1 minute you get a colorized photo. You do not have to do anything. You do not have to learn any photo editing or anything like that. These are just like magic, and this is really great. Now move on to the another task. Then I'm going to show you that is also from Pexels, and let's see. If I choose any image like this, and I'm going to remove background of it. So let's select this girl image I have already downloaded. Now I move from this website to another website, which is removebg. So this is a remove background website that removes background from image like this. See, so when you go to this website and click on upload image, they ask for your image. So I have already downloaded this little girl image, and I select that image, and see, they have working. And yes, like magic, in seconds, in 2 seconds, they have removed background from that little girl image. See how cool is that? You do not need to be a master in a photo editor software, and you are already getting it done within a seconds. And this, you can download it here in a high resolution. You can download it in preview image and full image in a high resolution. But this is the way it is. For example, if I upload another image, I have downloaded a cat image, so I select it. See, you can see it has been converted, and the background is removed. And see how cool is that? How perfect it already removed the background from this cat image. This is really cool. You can download this cat image right now and use it to other photos, other images, and people are really love to do that. And those peoples are your customers who want this type of things. And many people don't know that this works can be done online, that and this can be done so easily. So you have to take benefit from that. And the site I'm going to show you is Fiverr.com. In Fiverr.com, you are going to get money for these type of simple works and people are doing. And if you search here on like colorize photos, so the colorize photos task will show up. And see, many people are doing photo colorization from black and white to colorize photos, and they are making very good amount of money with that. See this guy here, if I click here, he is asking for basic package. They have a 3 package here, Fiverr. And if he's asking $5, and he colorizes photos like this, and you see already see that you can do that in minutes, in seconds. So if this guy has already 870 comments, so it's a job done process. It's a really great process. If you this guy also has a standard package which is $10 and a premium package of $15. But at least if I assume that this guy has $5 for every image, and then this guy already earned more than, this is just at least amount, he earned 4,000, more than 4,000. But if you calculate on $10, $15, that will be much bigger than $4,000. But $4,000 is really great, and which is day by day you will get your money, and you will get more more and more tasks. When you post a job here, you promote it to your social media sites, then you will get more traction, more eyeballs to your project, and you will get more work order to perform. And day by day, when you perform more work, you can earn more money, and your reputation will build up, and you will get automatically you will get more buyers from around the world. So another site I'm going to show you is PeoplePerHour.com, where this is also a job a freelancer website where you can do your job just I have shown you before. And here, if in the search section, if I search like background removal, then people are showing that all the background removal jobs people are asking, and all the background removal jobs people are doing here are show up here. And see, these are really easy background removal job. You can do it very quick, and it's like a magic. See, you can do this job like magic. I have already did that, and you see the potential. You can just post a job with a background removal and some image, an example image like this, and see, people are asking $10, $15, and more, $25. More you work, more experience you get, and you can ask more money to do your job. But for instance, if you start at $10, you see how much is the potential here. This guy 556 job done already. If I calculate it, 556 into 10, it's already, I know, 5,000, more than $5,000 he have earned with this job. And this is, you can do it very quick. And when you post a job and you get promoted, you promote your work on social media, and you are getting your buyers. And after couple of job done, they are going to promote you more. Your level will increase, and you will get more and more customers, and your money will grow up. And see, just in 1 minute you can earn $5 to $10, and it will adds up more and more. It's not like just $5 a day or $5. It's an ongoing process. The more you work in you will get more money in minutes. So this is a big earning opportunity. You have to work regularly. So all it is, this is, you have to sign up on Fiverr. Just click on join and sign up on Fiverr. And also in the people per hour, if you click on sign up and click on I want to work as a freelancer, and sign up here, this is an easy process, and you are good to go to do this type of jobs like this. And I have already shown you how you can perform it. And this is it guys. This is the way you have to be active, and money will follow you. If you are not active, you will not get success. If you are not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.